Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Stellar XLM currently price update, and I'm also talking about the price prediction of Stellar XLM. Is in the future there is possibilities that the price of Stellar will pump or down. Let's start the video, guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly please subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, the current live price of Stellar in the market is about 0.383163 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Stellar XLM. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Stellar, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, these changes of Stellar is completely positive. Only last 1 week changes of Stellar is negative 3.57%. So don't worry about these changes, everything will be okay. Let me show you the price chart just for a while. Oh, you can see, unbelievable. So here the pump of Stellar XLM, that's going crazy. So now you know what, guys, that's the signal that the price start pumping. Yeah, so I recommend, guys, you know what, I believe that in the last half month the pump for a long time, guys. So just hold, guys, it's a holding time, it's profit time. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. I recommend, I suggest for all of you that it's holding time, guys. And my prediction is also positive. I believe that in the last half month the price will pump. And as you know, it is last week of October, so I'm sure about that the price will continue pump for a long time. Anyways, what you think, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction about Stellar XLM? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.